Two men fatally shot by the police in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A late-night confrontation between the police and two men in Rivoli, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday, ending in tragedy as both men were fatally shot by the police. The incident occurred around 9 p.m. when cops engaged men during an operation in the area. The police say that they seized two firearms, a Smith & Wesson pistol with a magazine containing two 9mm rounds and a shotgun. The men killed in the exchange have been identified as Marco Miller, also known as Izzy, and Alex Philpott alias Toby, both of Bucktown in Rivoli. It is reported that a team of police were on patrol in the area when the actions of the men aroused their suspicion. The police reportedly called out to the men and they fired shots at the police and ran in different directions. The police reportedly pursued the men. When they reached the river, the team reportedly was attacked by a man with a rifle. The team shot police. The man reportedly fired and a shootout ensued, during which the man was hit and the gun seized. The police said that the team observed the door of a house open and upon entry, a man was seen with a gun which he pointed at the police. The man was then shot by the police and the weapon seized. The Police Inspectorate of Professional Standards Oversight Bureau and the Independent Commission of Investigation (INDECOM) are conducting separate probes in the shooting. Residents took to the streets in the morning to protest the killing of the two men, stating that they were both innocent. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.